This was the correct answer. Fantastic job if you found it. Now, if you got stuck along the way, it might have been this denominator that gave you trouble. Let's see how we can find our lowest common denominator first. This denominator factors to x plus 2 times x minus 1. And then this denominator is actually the difference of two perfect squares. So we can factor it as x plus 1 times x minus 1. We see the two denominators have a common factor of x minus 1, so we list that in the middle for our factor tree method. The other factors are on the outside, and then we multiply all of them together to get our lowest common denominator, x plus 2 times x minus 1 times x plus 1. Next, we want to turn each of these fractions into an equivalent fraction with the lowest common denominator. This first denominator is missing the factor x plus 1, so we multiply the numerator and denominator by it. The second fraction is missing the factor x plus 2. For this numerator, we're multiplying two binomials together, and we get x squared minus x minus 2. For the second fraction, we're just distributing this 3 to the quantity x plus 2. So we have 3 times x, which is 3x, and 3 times 2, which is 6. Now that we've added our numerators together, we have a new numerator. And we should always ask ourselves, can we factor this? If we can factor this, then we'll be able to simplify another factor in the numerator and denominator. But in this case, this numerator can't be factored. There are no factor pairs of 4 that sum to positive 2. This is why we're finished, and we can have this as our answer.